attention please, patient.
What's up, guys? We're gonna start off the vlog by a room tour, and by the room tour you'll probably understand where we're at or get a general idea of where we're at. So let's go along and do a room tour. From opening the door,
Oh, I love this. You want one?
you'll be greeted with this nice painting of the three caballeros. I hope I'm saying it right. By the way, this is Abby.
Hi.
She's from the older vlogs. But also, there's this nice little chair. How comfy is it?
It's pretty comfortable.
Does it spin?
Yes.
What? And it spins. Then you got this Western Rancho looking style curtains. Two, what is it? Two queens? Is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with two queen beds.
I like how the underneath is open where you could shove your suitcases.
What was that?
I said I like how it's open underneath the beds where you can shove your suitcases under.
Yes, that is nice.
So it's not all in the way.
And then, with right next to these beds, you got these. Oh my God, that is bright. These little night lamps, night lights.
I couldn't figure out how to turn it on.
And then you got the overhead lights. Oh wow.
Oh, you just got a fan.
Oh my God.
I've never had a fan in a room before.
Oh my God, that is.
Like you're like, wow.
So, plus there is these the wall outlets with the USB charging station as well. They got rid of the clocks because I guess everybody just unplugged it and, you know, put it off to the side. So more space for the charge phone. A little, oh, here's the safe. That's a nice little area for a safe. But then over here, there's a digital thermostat, and it only goes down to 65. Okay, well, at least you got the fan. There you
I
go.
would call this like your mini kitchenette.
Mini kitchenette. Comes with a Keurig coffee maker, little drinking glasses, little coffee mugs. Comes with already a couple little toasted coffees. Then you have like a little cabinet where the fridge is. Oh, look at that. Is the fridge working? It's kicking a little bit. And then you have a nice little lamp, so when you sit here and do your work, you got the little chair. And then you have your little cubby drawers for your clothes. And look at that TV. And from the TV, we're gonna move over close to the thing with a full length mirror. So when you try to go out and go to Disney Springs, you could look fresh.
You want to try a piece of thinking?
Yeah.
Next up is the bathroom.
Well, I really think my.
They got these little barn doors that slide open. They look smooth, heavy. And then here is the little his and hers with a nice mirror with the light, the LED lights going up it. Then for the girls who like to get ready. Ooh. Does this have a light? Yeah, it does. Woo! Little toiletries. And then you got little cabinets under the sink. I guess to store shampoo and stuff. Put little extra towels if you have towels. And then you got some more cabinets. Then you got this long, big old closet that comes with a ironing board. I guess a luggage holder. Some hangers. I guess that's an ironer. Some more storage and an extra comforter and pillow. And next, behind this door is where the magic happens. Oh, good lord. Oh, good lord. It's nice and bright in here. You got a glass window as the shower curtain. Toilet. And a nice looking tub. Ooh, with 2 shower heads. One like a rainfall and one, I guess, adjustable.
I'm gonna turn it on.
And then with the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
I know, yeah.
Oh, it's also a steamer. Okay. All right, Taylor. What did you discover?
I don't know. I just clicked something on the remote. Oh, wait.
So, Taylor discovered something on the TV.
Yeah. It has my last name.
Has the last name on here.
So you can call.
And then it also has.
So you can move the stuff, connect my device, so you can pretty much watch stuff from your phone onto here. My Disney Vacation. What's up there?
What if it has our dinner reservation?
Oh, you can see your photos. That's cool.
Or I wonder, yeah, you have to link it. I guess, what's your Disney?
Disney on demand. What? You can pick any movie you want to watch at Disney? Oh my gosh. Bedtime stories.
Tangled.
Programs and events. Disney Learning. Oh, look, we can learn about the safety.
Also, there's a cool feature with this. It has the room number on the TV.
I like how it has like the Mickey thing.
Has the temperature and date, time.
Or, well, I don't know where you can find the Disney music though. Your classic. This is all I can find today.
All of these classic cards.
Enjoy this room right now. It's pretty nice and clean. The floors are not carpet, it's tile, so you don't have to worry about the stinky floors. And yeah.